Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. If we want to put this one on numerator, so we will put about the negative sign in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 2, we have 2s. Because we don't have negative number 12, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 12. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of a to the power of u du, we have a to the power of u over ln a, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. Or we can put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.